See? Is there Panjaya there?
No, there's a no. Yun na, at the past, there's Panjaya.
Yan pa.
Dapat pa ganun. Patayo. Ay, paga. I-edit ko na lang.
It's like a hana. More birdie. That's a dragon. More. I wanna ride
The past.
I wanna ride.
Oh, there's so much pepper and salt in the air.
Sartalo.
Kayo wag na yun.
No, wait. It's not this. This is mine.
Why you keep changing all the water? I want mine.
Oh my God! But Daddy, the one eating the chips. Mommy, the one struggling. Marcus, the one having his time of his life.
This is yours?
Lucas,
From here?
the one looking for his water.
This is yours?
Yeah. No, it's not.
Oh, finally, this is mine.
And I feel water everywhere. Helicopter. Look at that.
It's a helicopter.
Ito pala yun eh. Pinangutang ni Mama. Ha?
Daddy? Daddy? I want ice cream.
Sambong.
I want ice cream.
Kasi masikip yung ato. Masikip. Tayo nga hindi halos makakilos na.
Look, oh. It's a fountain. Why is it wet, Daddy?
Sorry, naantay kong kasama si Julina dahil ang sabing ninyo kahati dapat si Julina doon. Ayokong i-bypass yung kapatid mo dahil mawawalan siya ng space.
Mom, Daddy!
Dapat sa atin lang yun. Eh, nasa isip na ni Julina kanya yun eh.
May daylang ka pa rin.
Totoo naman eh. Marco, hindi mo naman pwedeng i-bypass yung mga kapatid mo.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. Tama yun. Eh, nung last time na tinanong natin, tinatanong ko sa'yo, ang sabi ko, wala pa siyang pera. Diba? Oh, wala problema sa akin. Pero ayusin mo yung ano ng kapatid mo. Hindi tayo para i-bypass yung mga kapatid mo. Ano ka ba?
Hi, Marcos.
Wala pa din pera. Pero nagkaroon ng pera, hindi naman sila nagsabi, o kuya, may pera na